Hi, everyone. Wayne here. Hey, I'm on the back side here, out by the fields, and got this little propane weed torch, I call it. But it's a nice little unit. Just got it with a little camp cylinder on there, and it does a nice job. I'm going to show it to you here in a second. But it can also be set up with a full-size propane tank. You can carry around. It's got an extension hose on it, or it comes with it, so you can use that nicely. And it's all good. But anyway, I'm gonna burn something. You can watch. Okay, so we're gonna turn this on here. Yeah, these are real live weeds here, so they're not cooperating a whole lot. We can go over here and check this out. So you can see that would be real nice for starting a campfire, actually, right? Okay, I'm going to shut it down now, but I think you got the idea, right? It's a nice torch. I like it. I'm glad I got it. Very reasonable cost to it. I was real surprised how cheap it was. Cheap's not a good word to use, but inexpensive, well priced, and I think you'll like it. So go ahead and get it, and you can leave your review. Thanks. Bye now.